Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another lesson. Now, this is going to be one of the most important lessons in all of the phases in my community and all of the courses that you're going to watch with me, because when it comes to your success and the way that you look at success, it is so important for you to define what that actually means to you, because you might just look at it right now as like, ooh, success equals this. But by the end of this video, I hope that you look at success in a couple of different ways so that when you go and you show up and you start creating your dream life, that you feel fulfilled as you're doing it. Okay. Now, when it comes to looking at success, for the most part, we have been taught that success equals reaching the finish line, reaching the goal, getting the thing, reaching the trophy. Woohoo, you made it to the finish line. Or success equals money, right? And most of us have heard that lots of money is what makes you successful, not a little bit of money. We think that lots and lots and lots of money is successful. So when we go and create our goals for ourselves, when we are out there doing all of this work and we're creating content, we're building our communities, we're trying to offer value to people, we have this in mind. Success equals the dollar amount. And there's a lot of us that don't even think of success just as this. We think of it as this plus the expensive materialistic things, the cars, the house. I need to have the mansion. I need that $17,000 dog, and I need the shoes with the diamonds. Oh, I need the shoes with the diamonds. Once I have that, I'm successful, right? And the truth is that this does not equal your success. It can for you, but it's not the end all of success, right? Success that is tied to material things does not lead to your fulfillment. Please read that again. Success tied to material things does not lead to you feeling fulfilled as a creator, as an entrepreneur, and as a person. It is not going to lead you to self-love. You're not going to love yourself more because you have all of these things. And it's not going to lead to the happiness that you think it's going to lead to. Now, I know that you're sitting there thinking like, well, if I had $1 million or if I was making $1 million a year, yeah, I'd be happier. I wouldn't stress, blah, 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 blah. That's great. But the truth is that when you tie your success to money, it is going to lead to you never being satisfied. Okay. You are never, ever going to be satisfied because you're always going to be chasing a dollar amount. Now, why do I say this? Why am I trying to bring this home? Because I've been there. We like to pull on life experiences. I have been there. I have made the $400,000 in 6 months. I was not fulfilled whatsoever. I literally bought every single thing that I wanted. I still wasn't satisfied. I was reaching my goals in real time, and it just wasn't enough. Me as a person was not enough. I'm literally sitting right here in my office next to a behemoth rowing machine that is literally standing vertically next to me. Look, I will take a picture. Okay, we're going to take a picture in real time. Here's the rowing machine. It is not even on the floor. It is vertical. It is vertical because I don't use it. And it cost me like $4,000. And I was like, no biggie. I need to have this thing, right? So when I tell you that, like, you're going to chase money and you're going to be like, oh my God, and I want these things, you're not going to be satisfied. And the main reason why is because you have tied success and your fulfillment to a dollar amount. And that is not what's going to make you fulfilled. I can promise you that. And that is why I'm making this video, because I want you to reframe the way that you look at your success. Success is not based just on the dollar amount. It's not based on the car, the luxurious items. It can be, and it could help you feel successful, and you should want those things. And I love that for you, right? That's what I'm here trying to get you to do. But I would be doing a disservice to you, to all of my community, if I tell you that this is what's going to make you happy, because it's not. The truth is that what's going to make you feel successful is something meaningful, something that you're going to look at and be like, man, I did this. I feel successful and fulfilled because it was backed by something that actually meant something. What do I mean by that? I mean that your success and your fulfillment should equal other things outside of money. Like I said, not to say that your success doesn't need to equal money, because it can. And I want you to have those milestones, but I also want you to look and feel fulfilled because you enjoyed the process, because you did the steps and you fulfilled them along the way, because you had small wins every single day, because you became the person that you wanted to become along the way. You influenced people, you inspired them, you had impact with what you did. That is what makes you feel like a success as a person. That is what makes you feel like, damn, all of this effort and energy that I'm putting in is worth something. When you get the money and you spend it and you spend it and you spend it and you spend it, and it just doesn't fill that hole in your heart, you're going to come back and be like, damn, she was right. Trust me, I'm telling you, because I've been there and I chased money for the longest time. There's nothing wrong with chasing money. There's nothing wrong with having those goals. But if you think that that is what's ultimately going to bring you that level of fulfillment and happiness, you are wrong. Okay? So this is the simplest mindset shift that is going to make what you do so much more meaningful. It's going to help you create. It's going to help you as you go and create products, as you grow your audience, as you're building out your communities, as you're showing up online. If you start tying your success and your fulfillment outside of money, you're going to just feel better because you reframed it, right? You are not looking at it now as, I suck because I didn't make $20,000 this month. You're going to look at it as like, you know what? Maybe I didn't make $20,000. Maybe I didn't even make 10, but you know what I did? I showed up. I was consistent. I believed in myself. I was successful and I feel fulfilled because I'm actually chasing my dreams. That is the energy and mode and mood that I want to get off of you, right? I want you to show up and feel good enough without the dollar amount, because when the money comes, then you're going to feel better. Okay. So moving forward, whatever it is, whatever small actions that you take, I want you to celebrate them. I am successful because I opened my first Instagram page. I showed up consistently. I finished my first blog post. I created my product. I launched my store. I put up my first sale. I made my first sale. I made an ad. Whatever it is that you do and you accomplish it, you give yourself a pat on the back and say, I am successful. I am fulfilled. I'm proud of myself. And I'm going to move forward. Okay. And then the same thing goes here. You tried even when you felt like quitting. That was a success. You learned something new, successful. You finished something, congratulations, you're successful. You were kind to yourself. That takes a lot of work and energy and effort. Success, boom. And you didn't give up. That is a massive success in my book. So, moral of the story is, please notice and celebrate every single thing that you do. Give yourself credit, love yourself, just give yourself the love and attention that you need to give to yourself. And then whenever you are ready and whenever you have defined success, like I said, I do not want to sit here and be the one that tells you you have to look at it this way. Feel free to look at success however you see it and however you feel like you need to see success, right? But I want you to look at success, if you can, in a different way, because in the long term, it'll make you feel better as a person. And this is just something that I experienced myself, and I think it'll help you down the line. Okay? So whenever you're ready and whenever you've defined your success, jump into the next video.